A few weeks ago, I made a post asking you to suggest things for me to try in a crinoline. So I got dressed up in an 1860s outfit, and I'm wearing both a crinoline and a corset throughout this video. And I'm going to try and do as many crazy things as possible. Let's start with something basic. To pass through a narrow doorway, I would just lift my skirt slightly or squish it together to make myself fit through. Someone also suggested playing basketball, and I didn't have a basketball at home, but I did think that volleyball would be a cool thing to try. Somebody also suggested I try the Cossack dance, which is not something I can do even under normal circumstances. We had several requests for cartwheels, but I think I can actually do better. Let's try a front walkover. And I did need a couple of tries to get this right. But in the end we got there. Nobody actually requested me doing this, but here it is anyway. This was actually easier than expected. All you have to do is lift your skirts slightly and you've got pretty much all the mobility that you need. Riding a bike in this dress is completely historically inaccurate. When women did start to ride bikes, they had special cycling costumes with bloomer pants instead of skirts. That would enable them to ride a bike easily, but of course we had to try it out in a crinoline anyway. And yes, it is possible to climb over fences in a crinoline, even though I failed my first attempt here as well. And this outfit is certainly not the most practical one to use for this. Still, it looks really cool though. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want a part 2, leave me your suggestions in the comments down below.